a side hustle. Worry about your money much.
Maybe you paranoid. That doesn't mean they're not after your money. They are one click, one convincing email, one stomach drop moment. And you could, like me, lose your online earnings, checking, savings, even your paycheck. Why? Because all your accounts, your bills, and your paycheck are probably connected. Once they got into one, they fall over like dominoes. It's not a question of if you'll be targeted, it's when phishing breaches, fake texts are everywhere. In 2023, Americans lost billions to digital fraud, not millions, billions. Whether you've gotta be kidding me, B. You don't even have to mess up, your data can leak from a company you trusted. And in 2024, Americans lost more to scams than most say they could afford to cover. 2025 will be better, but you can be. You can't stop the storm, but you can make a shelter. A financial firewall, a sandbox. It's a simple system that stands between your paycheck and the internet. A safety net between your fat-fingered boots and your life savings. It keeps your main bank accounts offline, or at least separated from your internet ones. One bad click won't destroy you. Here's how it works. You set up a middleman bank account, a decoy wallet, online shopping, auto pays, subscriptions, run them through it. You only load what's needed when it's needed, or spend what comes in, or pull it out at a free ATM. So when a gas pump skimmer grabs your card number, it finds a locked account with $20 and no overdraft access. If something goes sideways, and it will, it hits a sandbox, not your rent or emergency fund or hopes and dreams. That's how to put a moat around your money, and the drawbridge stays up unless you lower it. I use Chime for this, it's free. Nothing is perfect for everything, but it's my guard dog. It only barks at fraud. After my loss, it's the only thing that made me feel safe transacting online. But if you use something else, that's fine. What matters is the system. A little separation can save you a lot of suffering. Smart ideas become habits. You filter the chaos for opportunity. You protect what you have, and you grow it. This is how you make sense of that.